Alright, hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress for your website. So the previous video I showed you how to sign up for HostGator and get web hosting and a 1-year domain for $5. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress for your domain. Now, when you sign up, you should have received an email with instructions on what to do next. And part of that should have been some information about installing WordPress, unless that's changed. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to create a subdomain. And I'm just going to call it How to Install WordPress. Okay, and then I'm going to create it. Now, for you, you would have your domain to do this with. Okay, so it took me to the next step, and that is to create a website, a WordPress website. So what you do is you just click on, or there's a couple of ways you could do this. Let me go out to the main panel here. And I'm going to go down to Quick Install. Right here, and it should give me some options. Site Builder and CMS. Okay, so there's WordPress, Website Builder, one-click installs, variety of software for multiple applications. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on WordPress. It's going to ask me to select the domain. Okay, don't worry about this. This is if you want someone to build it for you. Okay, so select the domain, and this, if it were you, it would be your domain that you just purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the one that I just created, How to Install WordPress. I'm going to click Next. Blog title is going to be How to Install WordPress. Okay. And then my admin email. Gotta click to agree terms of service, and then it will install. Okay, you can see up here it's installing. You can see the progress of your website. Okay, so alright, so after the install you'll get an email saying that it's installed, it's ready to go, and it will give you your login information, and you can go from there. Okay, so this is what your admin login will look like. You'll want to enter in the information that you have given previously for the admin name, and then it provides you with a login password. And then you log in, and there you are. And I don't save my passwords. Okay, now I'm logged in. Okay, so now I'm logged in, and one of the first things that I'd recommend that you do is to change your password. And for those of you who saw my password, I've already since changed it, so that old password will not work. So ha. But what you do is you go to Users. Let me get that out. Go to your profile. Scroll down to the bottom. This is what it'll look like when you first go to your profile. And you could set up your color scheme and all that, and add in your other information if you want. You can put in an avatar if you want. And then to generate password, just press generate new password. And you can have one done automatically for you, or you can delete the one that they generated for you, and you can add in your own. So it's really very easy, and then you just click update profile, and you're done. Now you're going to have general settings. This is the title, how to install WordPress. You can change your tagline here and just type in whatever you want. Here is your WordPress URL right here, and then your site URL. And because I'm using a subdomain, it will have the how to install WordPress and then tipsfromlori.com. Yours won't have a subdomain. It will be the domain that you purchased. Okay, and then you can set up, I'm not going to have anybody register. You can set up your date format, your time zone, your time format, when your weekday starts, and some other things if you want to do this. I just leave it the way it is usually, and then writing what you want to do is you can have your default post category, which when you're doing categories, you do want to set up your own categories. Otherwise, it's going to go to uncategorized. Okay, so for let's see. Let me go to reading your latest posts. Very simple. You can have full text, or you can have a summary. Mine is set up as a summary. Permalinks is what I was looking for. Okay, so for your permalinks, what you want to do is you want to do post name. That way it'll be how to install WordPress.tipsfromlori.com and then the post name. And then save changes. Let's see. And you can start installing your plugins. You could go to your posts to see what posts. They usually have Hello World. You could go ahead and delete that. And just for the heck of it, let's go out and see. Okay, so that's what it would look like. I don't have any other themes installed, but this is where I'm going to stop because this was mainly about how to install WordPress. So there'll be more information coming. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.